Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered about the swirling galaxy we call home, the Milky Way? This celestial marvel, with its poetic name derived from its milky appearance, has held a significant place in the folklore and mythology of cultures around the globe. From the ancient Greeks to the indigenous tribes of North America, this band of light has sparked curiosity, inspired awe, and given birth to countless stories. Join us on this cosmic journey as we delve into the mysteries of our galactic home. Envision the Milky Way not as a flat disk but a barred spiral galaxy. Now let's delve into the anatomy of our galaxy, the Milky Way. At the heart of it all is the galactic center, a bustling hub of cosmic activity. Nestled within this central region is a supermassive black hole named Sagittarius A*, weighing about 4 million times more than our Sun. This black hole is like the grand conductor of our galactic orchestra, setting the rhythm for the swirling dance of stars around it. Radiating from this bustling hub are the spiral arms, vast curving structures that spiral out from the center. These arms are cosmic nurseries brimming with gas and dust that give birth to new stars. They're also home to older stars, nebulae, and various celestial bodies, painting a vibrant tableau of the galaxy's life cycle. Now imagine an enormous spherical cloud surrounding and enveloping the entire galaxy. That's the galactic halo, the outermost component of the Milky Way. It's mostly composed of dark matter, an elusive substance that doesn't interact with light but whose gravity holds the galaxy together. Interspersed within this halo are ancient globular clusters, relics from the early universe, each containing hundreds of thousands of stars. So how big is our galaxy? Picture a disk about 100,000 light-years across. That's the breadth of the Milky Way. It's so vast that light traveling at a blinding speed of 186,282 miles per second would take 100,000 years to cross it from one end to the other. And yet, despite its enormity, it's just a tiny speck in the grand tapestry of the universe. The structure of the Milky Way, with its galactic center, barred spiral arms, and halo, is a testament to the cosmic forces at play, shaping and molding galaxies over billions of years. It's a complex dynamic system in a constant state of evolution. So the Milky Way is not just a band of light in the sky, it's a complex barred spiral galaxy. Did you know that our galaxy is constantly in motion? Yes, the Milky Way, much like a dancer on a grand cosmic stage, is always in motion, performing a ballet of celestial proportions. Let's take a moment to visualize this. The Milky Way is not stationary. It spins, just like the Earth rotates on its axis. This rotation isn't as rapid as our planet's, though. It takes the Milky Way approximately 240 million years to complete one rotation. Quite a lengthy dance, wouldn't you agree? Now imagine a spinning disk. Our Sun, along with the rest of the solar system, is located on one of the spiral arms of this disk, about 26,000 light-years from the center. We're not just along for the ride, though. We're also spinning around the galactic center at an impressive pace, about 570,000 miles per hour. Despite this dizzying speed, our solar system takes about 230 million years to complete one orbit. This journey is known as a cosmic year. But the Milky Way's dance isn't confined to its own boundaries. It's also moving within the universe. It's part of a local group of galaxies that are all gravitationally bound together. This local group is moving toward a larger, denser region of galaxies known as the Virgo cluster. So our galaxy is not only spinning and rotating, but also traveling through the vast expanse of the universe. This dance is not a solo performance by any means. Each star, each planet, each galaxy is part of this grand cosmic ballet, each following the rhythm set by the laws of physics. As we delve deeper into our understanding of the universe, we begin to see the beautiful complexity and interconnectedness of all celestial bodies. We are part of a galaxy that is not just a static image in the night sky, but a dynamic, ever-moving entity. In the grand scheme of the universe, our galaxy engages in a cosmic dance, swirling and spinning through the vastness of space. As we journey through the Milky Way, we are not alone. Indeed, our galaxy is a bustling neighborhood of cosmic activity. It's a bit like a cosmic city, with each star representing a different home. And just like a city, the Milky Way has a vast array of inhabitants. Picture it, if you will. The Milky Way, our galactic home, is an expansive, spiraling disk of stars. It's estimated that our galaxy alone houses over 200 billion of these stellar bodies. Yes, you heard that right. 200 billion stars, each one a potential sun to its own solar system. But stars aren't the only residents in our galactic neighborhood. There's a fascinating variety of celestial bodies that call the Milky Way home. Planets, asteroids, comets, and even mysterious black holes are all part of this cosmic community. Each one, whether it's a tiny comet or a massive black hole, plays a significant role in the grand scheme of our galaxy. Now let's take a moment to consider the planets. Each star could potentially house a planetary system. Just like our very own solar system, with its 8 unique planets, countless moons, and various other celestial bodies. These planetary systems are like miniature neighborhoods within our galactic city, each with its own unique characteristics and potential inhabitants. And this brings us to the thrilling topic of extraterrestrial life. The search for life beyond Earth is one of the most captivating pursuits of modern science. With billions of stars, each potentially hosting a planetary system, the possibility of life existing elsewhere in the Milky Way is an exciting prospect. Scientists around the world are continuously exploring this possibility, sending out probes and analyzing data in the hope of finding signs of life. So the Milky Way is teeming with billions of stars, each potentially harboring its own unique planetary system. We might just be a tiny speck in this vast cosmic city, but we are most certainly not alone. The galactic inhabitants of the Milky Way are as diverse and fascinating as they are numerous, and who knows, maybe one day we might just meet our cosmic neighbors. Our galaxy, as vast as it is just one among billions in the universe. Imagine getting lost in the city only to realize that the city itself is lost in a country, the country lost on a continent, and the continent floating on a planet that's twirling in the cosmic dance of the Milky Way. Now let's zoom out even further. The Milky Way, with its hundreds of billions of stars, is just one, yes, just one of the estimated 2 trillion galaxies that populate the universe. We're embedded in a cosmic metropolis, a universe teeming with galaxies, each with their own unique set of stars, planets, and celestial wonders. These galaxies, however, aren't randomly scattered across the cosmos. They're part of larger structures known as galaxy clusters. These clusters are like the cities of the universe, housing hundreds to thousands of galaxies. The Milky Way, for instance, is part of the Local Group, a neighborhood of approximately 54 galaxies. Beyond that, we're part of an even larger structure, the Virgo supercluster. Now let's add another layer of wonder to our cosmic perspective. The universe is expanding. It's not just that galaxies are moving away from each other, but the very fabric of space itself is stretching. This discovery, first made by Edwin Hubble in the early 20th century, changed our understanding of the universe forever. It led to the Big Bang Theory, suggesting that the universe had a beginning and has been expanding ever since. This expansion implies that the universe is not static but dynamic and ever-changing. And with every passing second, every tick of the cosmic clock, the universe grows a little larger, a little more expansive. So where does that leave the Milky Way? Well, amidst the cosmic expanse of galaxy clusters, superclusters, and the ever-stretching universe, our galaxy is but a small yet significant player in the grand cosmic ballet. We're part of a larger cosmic story, a narrative that's still being written as the universe continues to expand. In the grand cosmos, the Milky Way is but a small part of a much larger, ever-expanding universe. As we conclude our journey, let's reflect on what we've discovered about our galactic home. We started with the enigma of the Milky Way, a name derived from its appearance as a dim, glowing band arching across the night sky. We learned that it's not just a simple band, but a barred spiral galaxy with a central bar-shaped structure composed of stars, and spiral arms winding out from the bar. Then we danced through the cosmos, exploring the Milky Way's movement. It's not static, but rotates, with different parts moving at different speeds. This cosmic ballet is a spectacle of gravitational choreography, with the entire galaxy completing one rotation approximately every 240 million years. We also met the diverse inhabitants of our galaxy. Not only does it house our solar system, but also approximately 200 billion other star systems, each with their own potential for planets, moons, and life. Finally, we place the Milky Way in the broader context of the universe. It's just one of an estimated 2 trillion galaxies, part of the Virgo supercluster and the even larger Laniakea supercluster. So we've seen that our galaxy is a dynamic, bustling city of stars, part of a much larger cosmic metropolis. Next time you look up at the night sky, remember the incredible complexity and beauty of our galaxy, the Milky Way.